Let me show you how to enable split screen on your phone. Split screen allows you to use two apps simultaneously without closing or minimizing either one. This feature is great for multitasking, like chatting on WhatsApp while browsing the web. If you're discussing something and need to look it up on Google, you don't have to leave the conversation, just use split screen. To set it up, first, make sure both apps you want to use are open and running in the background. Now, follow these steps. 1. Open the Facebook app, then minimize it. 2. Open TikTok. Three, tap the Recent Apps button. 4. Tap TikTok app logo at the top and select Split Screen. 5. Now select Facebook and both apps will appear side by side. You can now scroll through Facebook while TikTok remains open, or vice versa. This works with any apps on your phone. To exit split screen, just drag the bar in the middle. Pull it down to close the lower app, or up to close the upper one. Give it a try and let me know if you find it useful. See you next time.